You've studied English for years. You pass your grammar exams. You've memorized thousands of words. But still, when it comes to speaking, your mind goes blank. You freeze. You fumble. Your heart races, and you wish the moment would end. Why? Why is it still so hard? Let's talk about the truth. And it's not what your English teacher told you. You treat English like a subject, something to pass, not something to use. But English isn't just a language. It's a habit. It's a way of thinking, speaking, reacting. If you only speak English in a classroom, but spend the rest of your life in your native language, you're not living English. You're just visiting it. And you can't become fluent in a language you visit once a week. When you try to speak English, your brain goes from your native language to English. You think, "Main bani be rahahon." I am drinking water. That delay, it kills fluency. Fluent speakers don't translate. They think in English. And if you don't train your mind to switch, you'll always stay stuck. Be honest. How many times have you stopped yourself from speaking because you were scared of sounding stupid? That fear is your biggest enemy. Fluent people didn't get fluent by being perfect. They got fluent by messing up again and again. Your mistakes are not weakness. They are proof that you're trying. And guess what? Nobody cares if you mess up. They care if you connect. Grammar is important. But if you wait until your grammar is perfect, you will never speak. Think about children. They speak long before they know grammar. You don't need grammar books to speak. You need practice. You need emotion. You need connection. Grammar helps later. But communication starts now. You watch one video in English, then go back to your daily life in your native language. That's not enough. You need to make English a part of your environment. Change your phone language. Watch movies without subtitles. Listen to podcasts while walking. Talk to yourself in English. The more English you absorb, the more fluent you become without even realizing it. You can read, write, listen, but if you never speak, you'll never be confident. It's like reading 100 books on swimming, but never jumping into water. You need real conversations, even if it's with yourself in the mirror, even if it's with a voice AI, even if it's just 5 minutes a day. Speaking is a muscle. Use it or lose it. Fluency isn't about being perfect. It's about being brave. The people who become fluent aren't always the smartest. They're the ones who keep showing up. They speak. They stumble. They try again. They fall in love with the process. Don't chase perfection. Chase connection. And slowly, English will no longer feel foreign. It'll feel like home. So the next time you want to speak, just speak. Even if it's not perfect. Even if it's messy. Because every sentence you speak brings you one step closer to fluency.